Finding the right platform is crucial for successful day trading. In this video, I will share the top 5 crypto trading platforms perfect for day trading. Number 5 is Binance, largest trading volume. Binance is the largest crypto exchange globally, handling over 38 billion in daily trading volume with over 600 cryptocurrencies and low trading fee of 0.1% reduced by 25% if paid in BNB. It is an ideal for traders. The platform offers two trading interfaces, standard for advanced user and light for beginner. This flexibility ensures it caters to all skills level, and however, Binance poor customer support is a significant drawback. It rates only 2% 2-star on Trustpilot, which reflects on resolved user complaints. Now let's talk about the advantage. Low fee, 0.1% or 0.095% with Binance BNB token. Offer over 600 coin available. Separate trading interface for pros and novice. Now let's talk about the cons, the disadvantage. Poor customer service. Binance Global is not available in the US. User must rely on Binance US with limited features. Now let's talk about the number 4 on this list is MarkX, the best margin trading. The exchange specializes in margin trading and has earned a 4.5 over 5-star on Trustpilot rating due to its strong security measures, including 100% offline code storage and advanced fraudulent detection. It offers leverage up to 100x and low fee of 0.019% for maker, while 0.060% for taker. However, this only supports 55 cryptocurrencies and lack spot trading. Margin trading is high risk, and so it's not advised for a beginner to trade using these options. Now let's talk about the pros. The advantage of this exchange: high leverage, up to 100x leverage, low fee, and no ID or KYC required. Now let's talk about the cons. The disadvantage of this exchange: limited to 55 cryptocurrency and no spot trading. So now the number 3 on this list is KuCoin, best for free trading bot. KuCoin is a veracity platform offering over 700 cryptocurrencies and range of trading markets, including sports, margin, and derivative trading. Trading fee are low at 0.1% for spot traders, with a 20% discount for paying with KCS and 0.2/0.6% for futures. A standout feature in KuCoin's free trading bot, which helps automate traders based on present conditions. This is especially useful for day trader which can't always monitor the market. The interface is user-friendly, but customer support is not the best. Let's talk about the advantage of KuCoin. Over 700 cryptocurrencies, free trading bot for automation, low fee. Now let's talk about the cons, which is the disadvantage of this platform: bad customer service. Number 2, we have Maxi. Maxi is a top choice for US citizens, offering over 2,960 cryptocurrency and over 2,110 trading pair. It supports spot, margin, and future trading with some of the lowest fee in industry. Spot trading fee are 0.1%, but 11 popular pair, BTC, Ethereum, USDT pair have 0 fee. Future trading fees are as low as 0.1% and 0.05% for the maker and the taker. MEXC also boasts the highest liquidity among major exchanges, ensuring the smooth trade even during volatility market conditions. However, MEXC does not support fiat withdrawal, which can be limiting. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Now let's talk about the pros, the advantage of this exchange. Extensive cryptocurrency option, 2,960 plus token, very low trading fee and high liquidity. And let's talk about the disadvantage, which is cons. No fiat withdrawal. It's going to be difficult when you make a profit and you want to directly withdraw your funds from your exchange account to your bank account. So, and the number one on this list is Bybit, the best overall exchange for day trading. Bybit is the best overall platform for day trading, offering anonymous trading without KYC. It supports spot, margin, and derivative trading with up to 100x leverage. Bybit fees are competitive and its user-friendly interface appeals to both beginner and experienced traders. However, it is not available in the US, which limit accessibility. Pros and cons, and we start with the advantage. The pros of Bybit: anonymous trading, no KYC. This is one of the best features which some individual want to trade without putting their KYC or without exposing their personal information. Competitive fee. Now let's talk about the disadvantage, the cons. Unavailable in the US. Final thought: each platform offers unique and advantage. Choose the one that aligns with your trading needs, and if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.